Hi, we at DD Resources is proud to import and release the first batch of Pan Americas to our dealers nationwide, namely Harley Davidson of Petaling Jaya, Kuala Lumpur, Penang, Johor Bahru, and Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. The dealers are actively preparing their showrooms to anticipate you. However, for now, we will need to adhere to the lockdown currently implemented. Once the lockdown has been lifted, we hope to see you in our showrooms for you to see, feel, and test the latest addition to the Harley Davidson family. In the coming days, weeks, and months, many programs have been planned for the Pan America. However, for now, we would like you to be safe and to adhere to the COVID-19 SOPs. Thank you.
Hey friends, greeting for the day. I'm Lau, Leader Principal of Harley Davidson Petaling Jaya. Today is an exciting day for all of us as we are going to unbox the Pan America Special and deliver to our first customer, Dato' Andan from Shadowfax.
The main Pan America came, first thing I booked on the first book, Pan America. So I want to ride an adventure bike. That's why I buy a Pan America. I got 4. All anniversary bike, 105, 110, and 115. First thing wait for the COVID. Once COVID finished, I think we want to ride in Malaysia first. After that, KL to Ladakh, Ladakh to KL. So this is the best bike for off-road.
Hi, I'm Larry from Route 77 Harley Davidson of Kuala Lumpur. Today we are unveiling the Pan America. Several adventure riding plans have been planned and discussed for the Pan America. We would like to work together with all the Harley Davidson dealers. The adventure riding lifestyle experience will not only be limited to Malaysia, but also abroad soon after the pandemic. Likely, the program will be tour around Pan Borneo. Therefore, it is the best time for you to get on board with us. United we ride.